Bluey was running across the field laughing loud. Bingo chased her fast holding a kite high. Suddenly the wind shifted sharp strange. Could a storm be forming? Bandit looked up uneasy quick. Chilli whispered the clouds are swirling. Rusty pointed at the horizon red. Could danger be close? The ground shook hard beneath them. Indy shouted something's rising up. Muffin hugged Socks scared tight. Could the earth be breaking? A giant stone temple emerged tall. Its doors glowed with fire bright. Bluey gasped, that wasn't here before. Could it be calling us? They stepped inside cautious slow. The halls echoed with whispers eerie. Bingo said, I don't like this place. Could it be haunted? Suddenly torches flared alive burning. Shadows danced across the walls fast. Rusty gritted his teeth brave strong. Could this be a trial? A booming voice roared above deep. It demanded, prove your courage now. Bandit stood firm gripping his lantern. Could they pass the test? The floor split into platforms moving quick. Chilli grabbed Muffin's paw tight. Indy leapt across without fear bold. Could they all make it? Bluey balanced carefully step by step. Bingo nearly slipped but caught herself fast. Everyone shouted, you can do it. Could teamwork save them? At the end a chest appeared glowing. It pulsed like a beating heart loud. Muffin whispered, open it, open it. Could treasure wait inside? Bluey lifted the lid slow. A burst of light filled the room huge. Inside lay a golden compass shining. Could it guide them home? The booming voice returned proud strong. It said, you are worthy heroes. The temple trembled starting to sink fast. Could they escape in time? They ran out just as the doors shut tight. The temple vanished back into the earth gone. Rusty cheered, we did it. Could it return again one day? Bluey held the compass high smiling. Bingo asked, where will it lead us? Bandit said, anywhere the heart believes. Could the next path be wilder? And if your heart raced like theirs, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let the compass point you to the next adventure with us.